Welcome back everyone to this quant update. Now, we went through in a lot of detail what is actually going on the past few months, and essentially we're just flipping a huge area of support just like this into support, into our bottom, and that's how we get to our previous all-time high. We need to hold all of these levels essentially. So what does that now mean? It means that we need to break through the top end and just use their support for the continuation. So I think that that is actually our next move upcoming for Quant. I'm going to run through that in today's update, the bullish scenario that I think is potentially playing out right now, and the path that it will actually follow in order to invalidate any further downside. So make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment and share, as we're also doing a giveaway over on Twitter for 2.5k followers there. We are under 5 followers away from that on Twitter, and we are under 100 subscribers away from 8k over here. Once that is complete, I will give away one free 30-minute mentorship call to one person, and another winner will gain my ebook for free, which is my exact trading strategy in written format. During this period, there will be discount offers on the course and the mentorship. Just use the links down below to head over to the website where you can find out more information. But a lot of them do include 2 months in the chat, which is £40 worth, and every single Tuesday and Thursday we do mentorship. You can also find my long list of cryptos. My portfolio is in there as well. So what we're now needing to do for Quant, just pump back above the 200, and what we're doing right now is starting to move back up essentially to the higher end moving averages, and we're trying to invalidate any further continuation, as we do have a bearish cross. Usually that's a signal that we're either coming to the 200 EMA. This actually formed when we were under, so this meaning in this case, which is actually suggestion of downtrend continuation, with this next low 100 to 102 being support, and as mentioned in the previous updates, the next level between 93 and $95. And you just play each level by level. Each one is going to give you a bounce. Equally, right now we were holding this one, we dipped our toe beneath to the next, and it's given us a reaction. If we fail to take out the moving averages and reclaim, which is I think what is actually going to happen right now, but let's pretend it does not actually happen, we fall back to the next level. Actually, you fall back to here given another opportunity. If that then does not happen, you then fall back to the next level where you have to reclaim 2 further previous support. So that's why I'd like for the reaction that we are getting right now, as we have just reacted from this $100 level of support. We're essentially flipping the previous one back up into support and creating a higher low over here, and now we're trying to put in that higher high. Now, even if we do get a rejection from this point, I would need to see the loss of this support. So we could come into there, get rejected, fall back to this key level, and then look for continuation. Once this is broken, it's going to give me so much confidence in saying that this head and shoulders pattern has actually played out. It actually has not met the technical target, but in bull markets, this is what happens. You see huge bearish patterns. They may break down, they may validate, but most of the cases you either fail to meet the target, or after meeting the target, very quickly reversing and flipping bullish again, because we're in a bull market. These corrections are not meant to last forever. We're meant to go higher than the previous high beforehand. Of course, this could be part 1 of the bull market finish, and we do correct for a large part of this year, and then, you know, for the end of this year, we do just start going crazy ham again. But if we are to go and continue bullish right now and break this high, I've shown you the case. We need to run into the moving averages again. We're getting the bounce right now, so I'm expecting continuation until this point. Then we fall back for support within this area and eventually break through, and that's how we invalidate any further downside, where we could even actually be losing this macro level of support. Why is this so important to me? Because this is the level that we're holding throughout 2022 and 2023. This area right over here between $94 and $100. If you remember from my videos throughout the whole of last year, we were using this as a DCA zone. Every single time we came down into here, I was saying I am buying, I am buying, I am buying. If it ever goes below, I am buying. And then we went below meta target, reclaimed that level, and that's why it's so important right now to hold above $94. And we are creating those higher highs, and we are creating those higher lows. So that's why my next move is take out these moving averages, and then we can put in that higher high. And remember, that would be using that whole support over here, just using that as support for the continuation to our next high, and then after that it is our all-time high. So that's why we're saying that holding this support, flipping this area in support, is going to take us to our all-time high, as we've been suggesting in our past few updates. And now hopefully what we've been doing over the weekend is just creating this higher low again to push through the 200 EMA, reach the 20 and the 55, get rejected, fall back to the 200 EMA and the higher low, and then hold it as support for the continuation. So we might see a double bottom over the next few days. Guys, that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Make sure you're taking action on the giveaway over on Twitter if you want to win some free mentorship and free ebook. Also during this period, use the links down below, head over to the website. You're going to get extremely huge discounts at the moment on my course and mentorship options. Look over here, guys. It's £99 for the course. You get free 2 months in the Discord, for free, and that's £40 worth of Discord membership, and you're just paying for the course and you're getting that for free. If we head over to the 3 hours of mentorship, you're actually just paying for the course and the course and the Discord, and then on top of that you're getting 3 hours, or for just an extra £10 you're getting 3 hours of my one-to-one help. I'll break it down for you. The course is 100, the 2 months in the chat is £40, so that's 140. And then you can see over here, this is 150. For an extra £10, you're going to get 3 hours of my one-to-one help. Guys, under each and every option, it tells you the amount of slots available. So a few people have taken action on the 5 hours. There's only 2 slots available, and 1 person has taken action on the 10 hours of my one-to-one help. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.